Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Bully 3 Total Cache to optimize Elementor speed. If you're running an Elementor website and noticing slower load times, installing a proper caching plugin like Bully 3 Total Cache can dramatically improve your site's performance and user experience. Let's walk through this straightforward installation process together. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website dashboard. Open your browser and log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your site management options displayed on the left sidebar. This is your central hub for making any changes to your website. Now look at the left sidebar and locate the plugins option. Hover over it and you'll see a submenu appear with several choices. From this submenu, click on Add New Plugin. This takes you to the plugin installation page where you can browse thousands of WordPress plugins or search for something specific. The beauty of WordPress is that it makes plugin installation incredibly simple and accessible for everyone. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a search bar sitting there waiting for your input. Click on that search bar and type in Bully 3 Total Cache. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering and displaying relevant plugins that match your search query. This real-time search feature saves you time and helps you quickly locate exactly what you need. After a moment, you'll see Bully 3 Total Cache appear in the search results. It's one of the most popular and trusted caching plugins available for WordPress, specifically known for improving site speed and performance. When you found it, look for the Install Now button next to the plugin name and click it. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically, which typically takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the installation completes, that Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. This is an important step because simply installing the plugin doesn't make it functional yet. Go ahead and click Activate to enable Bully 3 Total Cache on your website. The moment you activate it, the plugin becomes active and ready to start optimizing your Elementor site speed through caching and performance enhancements. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Bully 3 Total Cache, giving your Elementor website a significant speed boost. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.